This is the SmallRig 2087 cage for the Sony A7R III. I think that a video cage is absolutely necessary and opens up a world of possibilities when you are shooting with a DSLR or mirrorless camera. This A7R III cage comes with a kit handle or also a wide variety of optional accessories that make your filmmaking life exceptionally easy. Whether it be cold shoe mounts, extendable arms, or HDMI clamps, SmallRig has it all. The 1842 DSLR monitor holder mount is by far my favorite accessory to use with the A7R III cage. This monitor holder mount allows me to mount my Aperture VS5 monitor to the top of the camera so I don't have to use the back screen. While the back screen is much better on the A7R III, it is just a joy to use the Aperture VS5 monitor on this camera. One thing to keep in mind, because this cage is made from a single piece of aluminum, you will have to take on the lens before you mount your camera to the cage. Aside from that one little con, I absolutely love this cage. The 2087 cage from SmallRig really turns your A7R III into a video powerhouse, with the ability to add an external monitor, multiple accessories, microphones, or whatever else you want to carry on this camera. The 2087 cage and the wide variety of accessories from SmallRig are fantastic. SmallRig did send this cage and some accessories out to me to use and review, but I was under no obligation to say anything about it. Turns out I'm going to be using this cage and accessories for a long time to come. So when it comes to this cage, 2 thumbs up. Until the next one, guys, peace.